Hi and welcome to rjpasini.com. My name is Rich Pasini and coming to you late this evening. I'm over here in New York. It's going on 11 p.m. And I just wanted to touch bases really quick with you. I have right now active listings just to show you guys out there, at least only 40. I had a number like 376 at one time, and I had to remove a lot of them because the sales were so slow. So when they end, they get close to ending, like 15 minutes before they end. I'm going to end them out again. I'm going to end them prematurely because for a simple reason, it's not. Some of them will go good to cancel and they'll relist again. My reason for doing this is because the sales are very slow right now. And I believe there are issues going on, and I'm going to take you to the eBay community. I got a window open up over here. And for those who are, excuse me, or not familiar with it, you can go to the eBay community and check out technical issues. Now, this first one had me going at one point. It says, "We're sorry for the recent technical issues that may have impacted you." This was July 3rd, 2018. But then when I looked down below, I started seeing all new, fresh stuff. Okay, and this one you can see the dates here. Some of them are for 9/25, which is today. Excuse me. And I'm just going to read a couple of them over here. It says, "Search for PayPal only, but the seller does not accept PayPal." Then there's one over here, service metrics nightmare. Item ended, email showing gobbledygook, computer language. If you look at the dates, folks, these are all from 9/25. This is for today. Here's another one, blue dot glitch when going through the save keyword search. Where have all my listings gone? All right, now this is from back. Now we're back to July again. Now we're back to July 7, 2018. Then it picks up, it skips. Then it goes mobile friendly checker, whatever. This came out in 9/22/18. Listing glitch. This one here came out in August. All right, and then here's another one, 9/24. There's got to be something going on with these here, folks, because for a simple reason is, like I said, it's extremely slow. There's definitely got to be some kind of issues going on with this here. There's no doubt about it. I looked at Down Detector because I always refer to them, and DownDetector.com is very good if you want to get an insight of as far as like what's going on. This number has gone up. I think the last I looked at was 69 or 68, whatever. All of these numbers here had gone up. The website is 73%, checkout is 20%, and login is 6%. Problems at eBay. All right, now they said resolved issues September 24th. Okay, but if you scroll down here, you could read over here some of the comments that people left here. 52-week low in eBay stock price today. It was, in a way, it's a good thing. The stock price is all that matters to the brass, and they can hide their mismanagement anymore. They can't hide their mismanagement anymore. Phone app unavailable. Well, this is me over here. My sales are slow, but I'm hoping they'll pick up. Here's another one here. Nothing works. Look at my seller hub. Past and present 2000. Great listings unavailable. Draft unavailable. It goes on. This one over here, I've never noticed. Other than regular no sales, I was fast track listing on Mercari and Etsy for Christmas tonight. Christmas tonight. This one came out a day ago. All my items are getting likes within an hour, unlike eBroken. Sorry for all the sellers. Again. One day eBay will crash for days and bankrupt millions of sellers. It will happen, not if, when. I don't know what the story is, folks, but all I know is that there's got to be something going on with this, because this is the last week. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday, as we all know. And now all I had was one listing, one little measly listing, and it wasn't even enough to buy a McDonald's meal. I mean, that's how sad it is and how pathetic it is. So, I don't know. Like I said, I like eBay. In my videos, like I said it before, It's like a love-hate relationship with them. But whatever they're doing, they have to. Something's going on because I mean, no sales. I mean, literally no sales. And to be honest with you, I think they're going to hurt themselves in the long run because people are going to start bailing out and going to other selling platforms, and it's a shame because eBay could be a nice platform. It could be a nice selling platform and a good way to make money. But whatever is going on with their system, it's really sad. I don't know if you guys are experiencing anything like this right now, but all I know is I haven't really made any sales except that little measly one this week. But like I said, as far as that went, this is it, man. September's over. I got bills coming up at the end of the month, and no sales is not a good thing. Let me know what you guys think out there. If you're experiencing the same situation, leave a comment below. If you see anything here that you're interested in, let me know because I'm letting these things drop off. I am going to be doing relisting again because I do have an eBay store, so I will be relisting stuff again. It's just that I'm going to look at this as a model as far as like an idea of what not to list because I'm not making any. I'm not getting any traction on this stuff here, and I'm looking at the start dates August 28th. Okay, well you say, oh, well, it's not too bad. No, it's almost a month. It is a month already that none of this stuff is moving. So I'm going to use this as a, as a statistical thing here, basically. And I'm going to print it out. And the ones that I see are not getting any views or the view counts are not going up or watches. I'm either going to put those to the side and try selling them on another, another platform, or just, end up donating them because, like I said, I ain't. There's not making no sales, so it's kind of like sad right now. And I think my personal take, I think it is something within eBay's IT infrastructure. There's something going on. I know there's other people. People may say, "Well, don't complain." I'm not complaining. I'm just throwing it out there. I'm not. I'm not the only one. Okay, I know I'm not the only person here that's experiencing slow sales, but whatever it is, it's affecting a lot of people. I read on other blog sites. I read it on different on even YouTube channels where the sales are slow, and I know people always like to say, well, it's that it's that time, it's that season, that time of the year. The blame game starts coming out. Maybe it's the items you have that people ain't interested in. You're charging too much. You should offer free shipping and so on and so forth. But it's been like this for a long time now, folks. So if there are people out there experiencing this here and you want to share it with us, or maybe you might have heard news about the as to what's going on, I don't know. I'm trying to do my own research. Like I said, I went to the eBay community chat board here for the technical issues, and like I said, these are what's what you see here. The most recent ones are from today. This is what people are experiencing. Now, you might be looking and saying, yeah, but I don't see anything that says any glitches, or, like in other words, where the system is down or anything of that sort. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I still think there is something going on there, but it's my personal opinion, so I could be wrong. But if anybody catches wind of anything, or if you heard something, maybe you might have picked up something, you have come across some information that you want to share with us, please do, because I'm curious to know as far as like what's going on with this here. I think it's very important that we get to the bottom of this here, and let's whatever the glitch is, whatever is causing this here, let's get this ball of motion here, because it's really if you people know my situation, my frustration, those monthly bills keep ticking in every month. You know what I'm saying? I mean, time stops for no man, so to speak. We need to, make sales, plain and simple. So I don't know if anybody else experiences here. I know I am, and I know there are others, but I just want to hear from maybe some of the subscribers on this channel, or other sellers out there. If you want to share it with us, please let us know. And if you know of anything that maybe you might have contacted eBay, or maybe you heard through the grapevine, that they are experiencing certain issues where it's slowing the sales down so much that people ain't making any purchases. I don't know if it has anything to do with the the new changes they're rolling out. I know they're rolling out new programs and they are doing different things, but it could be that. I don't know. People might say, well, why don't you call eBay up and find out if you're so curious. I have called up and asked about it, about the slow sales. And what I was told by a teammate, I asked them, I came right out and I said, are you guys experiencing any glitches? The system's been very slow. Nobody's, I told the person, I said that I'm reading on other blog sites that people are, they're complaining because they're not making no sales. And it's kind of sad because I've been on this community chat board a few times, and the times I've been on here, even on downdetected.com, it's sad because you're hearing people, some people are sitting there saying, stating on here, I don't know if I have enough money to pay my bills. Another one says, I don't know if I have enough money to buy food. I mean, come on, people, they look at eBay as a sole income for some people. And some of us who don't look at it as a sole income, they use it as that hobby money or that extra money will buy maybe some small amount of groceries or maybe pay off a small credit card bill or whatever it may be, So my take is, or if eBay is listening or following me by some means or whatever, there are a lot of people out there that are hurting and they need to make sales. So if there is any glitches out there, please rectify the problem and let's get the show on the road here because it's really hurting. And if by some miracle, I'm hoping before the end of the month is over, which it looks like there's 30 days in September from what I can see on my calendar here. Maybe by some divine intervention or miracle, or make some sales to maybe help offset the bills, But anyway, this is Rich Pasini. It's a little after 11 p.m. over here on the East Coast. I'm in New York. I am signing off, and I just want to say I hope you guys make sales. I hope we all make more sales. And if there are any glitches going on with eBay, I hope they rectify it soon enough. I'm signing off. Have a great night, guys. I'll talk to you the next time. Bye-bye now.